I'm giving this pedal away to one of my subscribers and I'd like it to be used, so please subscribe and sign up for the giveaway and hopefully you will win it. Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in this video, this is my first pedal giveaway. I'm going to be giving away this Artemis K series. It's a Klon emulator. It's a great pedal, and I want to give it away to one of my subscribers, so keep watching to find out the details. I'm giving this pedal away once I hit 500 subscribers. I'm almost there, so it's probably going to be a very short period of time until I give it away. Why am I giving the pedal away? I just want to show my appreciation for my first 500 subscribers by giving one of them, like a nice pedal to play. So to have a chance at winning this pedal, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, and I'm only going to be giving away this pedal to someone in the United States for my first pedal giveaway. In the future, I will give out more pedals and guitars and different things, but and I will do worldwide in the future. But for this first one, I just want to keep it in the United States. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. You can just say pedal giveaway, or let me know what your favorite guitar pedal is, or what your dream pedal is. Basically, just so we can get some pedal conversation going. And that's all you need to do to sign up. Once I hit 500 subscribers, I will randomly pick somebody and let them know that they've won the pedal, and I will ship it to them. I'm not going to be doing a full demo of the pedal. There's a lot of other famous YouTubers that have done demos of this pedal. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to link to a couple of their videos down in the description, so you can go ahead and watch them demo the pedal and listen to exactly what it sounds like. You do hear me playing this pedal though in the beginning, in the intro. Pedal giveaway. Who doesn't love a great pedal? Sign up now to win this sweet pedal.